Bitcoin has been struggling at this level for a while, already for 4th month. What is going on? Are we forming a triple top and come all the way down? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and the trading strategy for Bitcoin. This video is only for education purpose. Welcome to ymchannel. We don't recommend you to do any trade, and we only help you to learn more and make more here. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. So now we look at Bitcoin monthly chart. What is going on? If you notice, basically we use 4 candles of monthly chart, which is 4 months, to battle with the previous market cycle peak. Okay, so what's going on? Are we forming a triple top right now, or are we still doing the consolidation and then we go up again? So if we look at the previous cycle, so all the time, basically they use few months to battle with the market cycle peak. If you look at, for example, if you look at 2012, basically they also, for the previous market cycle peak, they use how many candles to battle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 candle on the 5 candle, they still battle it, not yet go above it. 6 candle, and then they have 1 candle to go above it. The whole body go above. The next cycle, the next market cycle is the same thing. If you look at here, they use 1, 2, 3, 4 months to overcome the previous market cycle peak. And then this market cycle peak, is it the same? This one is a bit special. This one, they have a double top, okay? They have a double top. So the market cycle peak, they didn't use too much, but they did not even touch the market cycle peak top. The candle you can see is go under the market cycle peak, and then they use 1 candle to go above, okay? And then now we are here. So if you look at the market cycle peak, the last one, which is around the resistance around, if you look at the whole week, the good thing is they go above this around 60K. So if I mark here, the big resistance point would be around this level, okay? Around this level, okay? So we are basically above it, but we still need to overcome this wick, right? This wick is not a strong resistance compared to this one, because this one basically they use the whole body to be the resistance, okay? The body is stronger than the wick, so we still need to go over the wick to confirm we are going above the market cycle peak, the previous market cycle peak, okay? Before that, we were still struggling here. So if we look at the daily chart, you will have a closer look about what is going on. If you use my indicator, you can see YM club long is from an upward move to a flat move. Okay, from upward move. So downward move is when they have a correction, and upward move, we can buy here. And then basically they have one big candle to drop below this blue line. If we look at the super long one, we have one called YM Club Super Long for super long-term investor. We need this purple to be upward to confirm we have a very bullish bull one, okay? If this purple is in our previous history, previous market cycle peak, basically also have the same thing. Let me hide this one. So before they go all the way up to the peak, they have some kind like a downward move also. It's not yet go upward. So if you look at the previous market cycle peak and we put YM Club Long, YM Club Fast, you can see both free line has to go upward to confirm this is a very bullish one, okay? It's a very bullish one. So far, are we the case yet? Not yet. You can see the red line, which is the short-term trend line, is going downward. And the market is not yet strong. They were still doing some kind of like a correction. The blue line is slightly turning flat, and then the purple line is going downward. So means very short term and very long term, this one is going downward slightly. So we will have some kind of correction. If we look at the funding, okay, if you look at the funding for YM Big Buy, is a big volume trade. Once they drop below the, once they have a strong resistance, for example, the purple line, when they touch it, it just did not go over it. If you look at this candle movement, right? So all the line, the purple, the blue, the red is kind of a resistance. Why? Because they are regarding to different time frame of the investor. Okay, so basically, even when they touch over the purple line, they will have some kind of like a resistance here. Okay, we need a stronger force to go over it. We need a stronger force to go over it. But so far, what's going on? What's the strategy? So now we are having purple line go down, the blue line is tearing up, tearing flat way, and then the red line is going downward. So we need this candle to go minimum above the red line first for short-term investor. For middle-term investor, the better to go above the blue line and the blue line change upward. Okay, how about the fund movement? What is going on with the fund movement? You can see the YM chipper. Since they drop below this blue line, you can see the fund movement is going downward. The peak is lower and lower and lower. Okay, and we are having the red bar is going under this purple line, which means the funding is not so strong. The holding is not so strong, although we have all the news of the ETF, but it's not so strong. At the same while, we have the YM chip entry. What is that? This is an exclusive indicator to tell you some institution has come in. Although today right now is minus 2%, 2.5%, but we have institution come in. But does it mean right away we will go over, we will go up? No, this just tell you this is a relative low point. So every time when they are hitting, when they have this signal, okay, this means this is a relative low point. But remember, those institutions have a lot of resource, much more than we do. So they will separate the funding. They will separate the funding to buy the stock, buy the holding, okay? So when they happen, it doesn't mean this is a very, this is the absolutely low point. No, but it means it is a relative low point. So they are accumulating the chips, okay, here, okay? But so far the funding is not strong. For you, if you haven't got the Bitcoin, you can wait the funding get strong first. Okay, so you can use YM chippers or YM big buy as a strategy when they go over this purple line or when they have a green candle happening or even go above zero. This is a strong signal. Then you can buy in. For a very long-term investor, if you have unlimited resources, of course, you can follow this YM chip entry to slightly add some more position. So this is the update today, and you have to pay a close attention to this free line. Can they go above the red line? And can they, the first level is they have to go above the red line. The red line have to change direction. And the best is to go over the blue line as well. Okay, this is for middle term. And then we can see if they go over the purple line. Okay, so if you don't have Bitcoin, again, this is not yet finished the bull market. It's not yet finished the bull market. If you look at the very long term, we're not yet finished. So it would be good if you can add your position for longer time frame holding. Okay, so this is the update today. If you like this kind of video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next time. Bye.